Hey there, fellow Americans. If you're a senior citizen, Social Security recipient, SSDI beneficiary, or VA pension holder, I've got some incredible news that you absolutely need to hear right now. The IRS has just confirmed a massive double stimulus payout worth up to $6,800 that's hitting bank accounts this weekend. Don't click away because I'm about to break down exactly who qualifies, how much you'll get, and what you need to do to make sure you receive your payment. Before we dive into all the details, take a second to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on important updates about stimulus payments, Social Security increases, and other financial news that impacts your wallet. Also, smash that like button if you want to help more people discover this crucial information. Let me start by addressing the biggest question on everyone's mind. Yes, this is legitimate. The IRS has officially confirmed these payments as part of the latest economic relief package aimed at helping our nation's seniors and disabled citizens cope with rising inflation and ongoing economic challenges. This isn't a rumor or speculation, this is happening right now. The double stimulus program specifically targets Social Security recipients, including those receiving retirement benefits, SSDI, SSI, and VA benefits. The reason it's being called a double stimulus is because it combines two separate relief payments into one larger payout, effectively doubling the amount recipients will receive compared to previous stimulus payments. For qualifying individuals, the base payment amount starts at $3,400, and when combined with the supplemental payment, brings the total potential benefit to $6,800 per eligible recipient. This is significantly more substantial than previous stimulus payments, reflecting the government's recognition of the unique financial challenges faced by seniors and disabled Americans during these difficult economic times. Now, let's break down exactly who qualifies for these payments. To be eligible, you must be currently receiving Social Security retirement benefits, SSDI, SSI, or VA pension benefits. Your annual income must fall below certain thresholds, which I'll explain in detail. Additionally, you must have been receiving these benefits prior to January 1 of this year to qualify for the full amount. For single filers, the income threshold is set at $75,000 per year. If you earn more than this amount, your payment will be reduced gradually until it phases out completely at $85,000. For married couples filing jointly, the threshold starts at $150,000 and phases out at $160,000. These income limits are based on your most recent tax return or the information the Social Security Administration has on file for you. What makes this stimulus payment particularly significant is that it's designed to be tax-free. You won't need to report this payment as income on your next tax return, and it won't affect your existing benefits in any way. This is pure additional support that you can use however you need without worrying about any negative impact on your current benefits. The distribution of these payments is scheduled to begin this weekend, with direct deposits hitting bank accounts first. If you're set up for direct deposit with the IRS or Social Security Administration, you'll be among the first to receive your payment. For those who typically receive paper checks, the physical payments will start going out next week and continue over the following few weeks. Many of you might be wondering what steps you need to take to receive this payment. The good news is that for most recipients, no action is required. If you're already receiving Social Security benefits, SSDI, SSI, or VA benefits through direct deposit, the payment will automatically be deposited into the same account. However, if you've recently changed banks or need to update your information, you'll want to contact the Social Security Administration immediately to ensure there are no delays in receiving your payment. For those who haven't filed taxes recently or haven't received previous stimulus payments, there might be a few extra steps required. The IRS has set up a special portal on their website specifically for this purpose. I'll explain exactly how to access and use this portal to ensure you don't miss out on your payment. It's important to note that these payments are being distributed on a rolling basis, so don't panic if you don't receive yours immediately this weekend. The distribution schedule is based on several factors, including your last name and the type of benefits you receive. The entire distribution process is expected to take approximately 3 weeks to complete. Some of you might be wondering about the reasoning behind this double stimulus payment. The government has recognized that seniors and disabled Americans have been particularly hard hit by recent economic challenges, including inflation and rising healthcare costs. This payment is designed to provide meaningful relief and help maintain financial stability for these vulnerable populations. The funds can be used for any purpose you see fit, whether that's catching up on bills, paying for medical expenses, making home repairs, or simply building up your savings for future needs. There are no restrictions on how you can use this money, as it's intended to provide maximum flexibility to meet your individual needs. One crucial point to be aware of is that scammers are already trying to take advantage of this situation. Remember that neither the IRS nor the Social Security Administration will ever call, email, or text you asking for personal information related to these payments. If anyone contacts you claiming you need to pay a fee or provide personal information to receive your payment, it's a scam. Report any suspicious activity to the appropriate authorities immediately. For those who receive VA benefits, there are some specific considerations to keep in mind. The VA is working closely with the Treasury Department to ensure smooth distribution of payments to veterans. If you receive both VA benefits and Social Security benefits, you'll still only receive one payment. You won't receive duplicate payments from both systems. Some recipients might be wondering about the impact of this payment on other benefits they receive, such as SNAP benefits or Medicare. The good news is that this stimulus payment will not count as income for determining eligibility for any federal benefits. It also won't affect your Medicare premiums or coverage in any way. If you're caring for a dependent adult who receives Social Security or disability benefits, they may also qualify for this payment. The same income thresholds and eligibility requirements apply, but there might be additional paperwork required to ensure the payment is properly distributed to the designated caregiver or representative payee. For those who have recently started receiving Social Security benefits or SSDI, you may still qualify for a partial payment, even if you weren't receiving benefits at the start of the year. The amount will be prorated based on when you began receiving benefits, but you'll need to contact the Social Security Administration directly to determine your specific eligibility. It's also worth mentioning that if you're behind on certain federal or state obligations, such as child support payments, these stimulus payments cannot be garnished. This protection ensures that the full amount reaches those who need it most, regardless of other financial obligations. Looking ahead, there are discussions about the possibility of additional stimulus payments later this year, depending on economic conditions. While nothing has been confirmed yet, I'll keep you updated on any developments regarding future support for seniors and disabled Americans. Remember to keep an eye on your bank account this weekend if you're expecting a direct deposit. If you haven't received your payment within 3 weeks, there's a specific process to follow up with the IRS or Social Security Administration. I'll be creating a follow-up video with detailed instructions on what to do if you experience any delays or issues with your payment. The impact of this double stimulus payment could be significant for many recipients. With inflation affecting everything from groceries to utilities, this additional support could help many seniors and disabled Americans maintain their standard of living and avoid having to make difficult choices between essential needs. As we wrap up this video, I want to remind you that staying informed about these benefits is crucial. The rules and distribution methods can sometimes change, so make sure you're subscribed to this channel for the latest updates. I'm committed to bringing you accurate, timely information about all financial matters affecting seniors and disabled Americans. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from knowing about these payments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on any changes or additional news about these payments and other financial benefits. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about these payments or if you'd like me to cover specific aspects of this topic in more detail in future videos. Remember, we're all in this together, and sharing accurate information is crucial for ensuring everyone receives the benefits they're entitled to. Stay tuned for my next video where I'll be covering additional financial resources and benefits available to seniors and disabled Americans. Until then, Take care and keep an eye on those bank accounts this weekend.